COVID-19 contact tracing. Hello, I'm David Cowan with All Hands On. I want to talk to you about a word that's come up during the press conferences quite frequently, and that word is contact tracing. But what does it mean? This is the sign that we use, and it represents a person who has been infected with COVID-19, the possible people that they may have infected before they became symptomatic, and the possible people that they've infected since becoming symptomatic. It's a process or series of interview questions to try and identify persons that may have had contact with someone who's been tested and found to be COVID-19 positive. The goal is to catch these outbreaks and encourage these people who may have been infected to quarantine themselves in order to reduce the spread of COVID-19. This way, people can know that they may have been exposed to COVID-19 even before they become symptomatic. The testing protocol used to require a person to exhibit symptoms, difficulty breathing, tightness in their lungs or their chest, a dry cough. But now we're finding out that people who feel fine and healthy, who have no symptoms, may be COVID-19 positive and unknowingly spreading the disease. And so the state of Georgia has opened up testing to all Georgians, whether they are symptomatic or not. We encourage all Georgians to receive COVID-19 testing. For more information, look at this website provided by the Department of Public Health. If you suspect that you may have the coronavirus, and that you may be exposing your family, your spouse, your children, your relatives, we encourage you to go ahead and get tested. And if you have been identified as being COVID-19 positive, then quarantine yourself. It's best if you're able to isolate yourself in a single place in your home or your apartment, in a single bedroom, and use a single bathroom so as not to infect your family members. It's important to remember that COVID-19 can be dormant for many days. You are encouraged to remain in isolation during your quarantine from the time you receive a positive result on a COVID-19 test. Once symptoms begin to exhibit themselves, begin counting 14 days before your quarantine is finished. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video to help inform others.